Introduction: with less than 1 month remaining until the 2025 tax season officially begins, this update will help you prepare for the filing period and avoid common issues that lead to refund delays. We'll cover 1. Steps to prepare for tax season. 2. Common refund delay causes. 3. Actions to reduce the likelihood of delays. Steps to prepare for the 2025 tax season. 1. Gather all tax documents before filing. Ensure you have received and reviewed all necessary forms, such as W-2s and 1099s, before filing your tax return. Filing without all required wage documents can lead to discrepancies between your reported income and employer's submitted data. A mismatch may result in a 570 code on your tax transcript, which places a hold on your tax refund until the discrepancy is resolved. 2. Avoid filing too early. While it may be tempting to file as soon as the tax season begins, early filers often experience delays related to ID verification. Consider waiting until at least the second full week of the tax season to file your return. This can decrease the likelihood of delays, as early submissions are more frequently flagged for review. 3. Create an IRS online account. An IRS account provides access to your tax transcripts, where you can monitor processing status codes, e.g., 570 return on hold or 810 refund freeze. The status of your refund, often before the Where's My Refund tool is updated. Top causes of refund delays in 2025. 1. Entry errors on tax returns. Common errors include incorrect amounts entered on tax forms. In 2022, 17 million tax returns contained math errors. The IRS may automatically correct minor errors, avoiding additional delays and paperwork requirements. 2. Discrepancies in income reporting. The IRS compares your reported income to employer-submitted data. A mismatch can lead to a delay, and, in some cases, a letter requesting documentation to resolve the issue. 3. Additional review of tax credits. Certain tax credits can trigger extra scrutiny, including Earned Income Tax Credit, EITC, Additional Child Tax Credit, ACT Solar Credit. Additional documentation may be required before processing can continue. 4. Employer tax filing delays. Refund delays may occur if your employer has not submitted their tax information to the IRS. This is necessary for the IRS to validate the wages and withholdings reported on your tax return. 5. ID verification requirements. Taxpayers selected for ID verification must complete the process before refunds can be released. Even those who have completed verification in prior years may be randomly selected again. Online verification is typically quick, but some cases require an in-person visit to a local IRS office. 6. Filing paper returns. Paper returns often face the longest delays, as an IRS employee must manually enter the information line by line into the system. If possible, e-file your return and opt for direct deposit to speed up the process. Tips to reduce refund delays. 1. File electronically. E-filing reduces errors and speeds up processing compared to paper returns. 2. Double-check your return. Ensure all information is accurate and matches your wage documents. 3. Monitor your transcript. Keep an eye out for processing codes such as 570 return on hold or 971 notice issued. 4. Respond promptly to IRS notices. If the IRS requests additional documentation, submit it as quickly as possible to avoid extended delays. 5. Wait to file until mid-January. Avoid rushing to file on the first day to minimize the chances of being flagged for ID verification.
Now, let's talk about an amazing opportunity. We're hosting a $1,000 giveaway. To participate, follow these 4 simple steps. 1. Subscribe to the 100% Financial Freedom channel. 2. Click on the bell icon to receive notifications. 3. Like this video to support our cause. And 4. Comment "I love 100% Financial Freedom" in the comment section. We will randomly select 2 lucky winners, and the giveaway date will be announced soon. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. We hope you found this information valuable. 100% Financial Freedom is here to support you in good and difficult times. Take care and have a great day.
Stay tuned for our next
video.
tax issue introduction as we enter the new year and approach the 2025 tax season. Today's update will cover 1. ID verification issues impacting early filers. 2. The PATH Act and its implications for taxpayers claiming credits. 3. Common IRS notices to expect if your tax refund is delayed. We will also provide actionable steps to help you avoid delays and ensure smooth tax processing. ID verification and early filing delays. Random ID verification selection. Taxpayers who file early in the season are at a higher risk of refund delays due to ID verification requirements. While the process is random, the IRS uses this step to prevent fraudulent returns that are more likely to occur early in the tax season. If selected for ID verification, you will receive one of the following IRS notices: 1. 5071C notice sent when online verification is possible. ID verification can typically be completed online within minutes. 2. 4883C or 6330C notices sent when in-person ID verification is required. Taxpayers must visit their local IRS office to complete verification. Important notes on ID verification: the process will not resolve itself. You must complete verification for your refund to be released. Even if you've had no prior tax issues, you may still be randomly selected for verification. If you see a 971 code on your tax transcript, it indicates the IRS has sent a notice. If you do not receive the notice within 2 weeks of the date listed next to the code, contact the IRS to confirm your mailing address and request a reissue of the letter. PATH Act and early filers claiming credits. The PATH Act requires the IRS to place refunds on hold for taxpayers claiming either 1. Earned Income Tax Credit (EITC) 2. Additional Child Tax Credit (ACTC). Key PATH Act points to remember: refunds will not be processed until mid-February, even if you file early. The PATH Act does not apply to the regular child tax credit but only to the advanced child tax credit. The IRS typically begins releasing refunds impacted by the PATH Act during the 3rd week of February. IRS notices to expect if your refund is delayed: 1. Letter 2644C 60-day notice sent when the IRS is waiting for your employer's wage information to verify the accuracy of reported wages and withholdings. In some cases, you may receive multiple 60-day notices. If you are still waiting after the first 60 days, contact the IRS to confirm the delay and inquire if submitting your wage documentation directly could resolve the issue. 2. CP05 notice refund under review sent when the IRS is reviewing specific items on your return. Common causes: a tax credit being claimed, income and withholdings discrepancies. No immediate action is required unless requested by the IRS. 3. CP75 notice documentation request sent when the IRS requires documentation to support a tax credit claim, such as Earned Income Tax Credit (EITC), Additional Child Tax Credit (ACTC), commonly requested documents: birth certificates. Proof of residency. Promptly submit the requested documents to avoid further delays. Steps to avoid tax issues in 2025: 1. Double-check information. Verify that all Social Security numbers, names, and income details on your return are accurate. 2. File electronically. E-filing with direct deposit can significantly reduce processing time and refund delays. 3. Create an IRS online account. This allows you to access your tax transcript and monitor your return's progress. 4. Track notices and codes. Regularly check your transcript for codes such as 971 notice sent or 570 return on hold. 5. Prepare for ID verification. If selected, respond promptly to avoid extended delays.